Surface area, exam practice. Here's an exam style question. Rita is painting 3 standalone cupboards in her kitchen. She does not need to paint the back. Each surface is rectangular. Rita knows that each pot of paint costs £2.99 and is enough to cover 16,000 centimetres squared of surface. Work out the total cost of the paint Rita needs to paint the cupboards. You might want to pause the video and give it a try before we go through the solution. Here's how you do it. There are a number of steps that we need to take. Firstly, we must find the surface area of the faces of one of the cupboards that will be painted. Not all of the faces will be painted. The back is not going to be painted. This face is the front, so this face is the back. We will not be including the area of that face. We must find the total surface area that she's going to paint. To do that, we must multiply the surface area of one cupboard by 3, because there are 3 cupboards. We must then find the number of paint tins needed. We must divide the total area by 16,000 centimetres squared, the area that one tin will cover, and from that we'll be able to work out the number of paint tins Rita needs. Finally, we'll then calculate the cost of the paint. So first, let's work out the surface area that will be painted on one of the cupboards. To find the area of this rectangle, we multiply 60 centimetres by 50 centimetres, and we get 3,000 centimetres squared. This rectangle is 60 by 128 centimetres. If we multiply these together, we get 7,680 centimetres squared. The front face is 50 centimetres by 128 centimetres. Multiplying these gives us 6,400 centimetres squared. So here we have 3 of the 5 faces that need to be painted. This face was 3,000 centimetres squared, so this face will also be 3,000 centimetres squared. This face is 7,680 centimetres squared, so this face will also be 7,680 centimetres squared. The front face is 6,400 centimetres squared, but we were told that Rita does not need to paint the back, so we don't need to include this face. If we add all of these areas together, we'll get the surface area of the parts of the cupboard Rita wants to paint, and that area is 27,760 centimetres squared. So that's our first step completed. We now need to find the total surface area that Rita will paint. She's not painting one cupboard, but 3. So we must multiply 27,760 centimetres squared by 3, and that's 83,280 centimetres squared. Now we need to find the number of paint tins needed. One tin covers 16,000 centimetres squared. We divide 83,280 centimetres squared by 16,000 centimetres squared. When we do this, we get 5.205. So Rita needs 5.205 tins of paint. You can only buy whole tins of paint, so we need to round up, because 5 tins will not be enough. So for her to be able to paint the entire area, Rita is going to need 6 tins of paint. Finally, we need to calculate the cost of the paint. Each tin of paint costs £2.99. She needs to buy 6 of them, so we must multiply £2.99 by 6. This gives us £17.94. Well done if you managed to get that.